Happy New Year everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the best southern oxtails, and we are not even using a whole lot of ingredients to do it. So for the ingredients, I'm using 3 pounds of beef oxtails, 1 green bell pepper, 1 large onion, fresh thyme, and about 4 cloves of garlic. Once I have all my ingredients chopped and prepped, then I'll go ahead and season all of my oxtails. So I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in about a cup of flour. So I toss the oxtails well in all of the seasoning and the flour. Then I take my olive oil and I'm just going to sear the meat on both sides until it's nice and brown. Once I'm done searing all my meat, I add the onion and the bell pepper along with the garlic, and I saute that for a few minutes. Then I'll add all of my beef oxtails back to my pot, and I'll add about 2 cups of water or beef stock, whichever one you want to use. Toss in a little bit of fresh thyme and then cover that and let that simmer for about 3 hours. Once the oxtails are done, go ahead and serve them up with whatever you like. I'm using a little bit of garlic mashed potatoes here, but some days I use rice. Y'all, these oxtails were so good and so simple to make. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. But that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye.